As you are aware, myself, Karnataka Venkatesh Gowda, already introduced. I represent the Karnataka soaps. Sandalwood, as you are all aware of it, it's a fragrant hardwood. Some of the species of the genus Santalum album family. The most important are three group. One is Indian Santalum album, Santalum spicatum, and the important species of the aroma. KSDL Estate Owned Company, as I introduced already, we are working for accelerating the development of sustainable sourcing, legal sourcing of sandalwood for the last 10 years. And we are the brand leaders for the natural sandalwood soaps in the country and even in the world market. As you are all aware, sandalwood is a root semi-parasite. It depends on how it profusely goes, depending on the kind of host and the agroclimatic conditions. We have highlighted the conditions where the sandalwood profusely can grow, and we can reduce the gestation period for harvesting. So normally there is a story of sandalwood is required 30-40 years. That is not the case now due to the extensive research undertaken in India, even in Australia. And the source for that is our mentor, Mr. Ananta Padmanabha, who is in front of me, and he is one of the speakers for this session. Hopefully, he is highlighting further what's going on worldwide, even in India and other parts of the world. Sandalwood normally takes natural growth 30 to 35 years for harvesting, whereas the plantation, if you are providing a suitable kind of host, including suitable kind of host and agroclimatic conditions, you can reduce the gestation period to 12 to 15 years. We have worked out the plan how we can reduce the gestation period. You can see in the later part of the deliberations. So the cultivation practices we have been defining, because shortage of time, we can go through the slides. Any queries, I will definitely clarify the doubts. Some of the best hosts for long term and short term, we are highlighting it. In Indian context, the normally sandalwood oil is assessed on the basis of the important characteristics santal oil content, and the other parameters are optical rotation and the refractive index and specific gravity. Even the santal oil and santal ester content is very, very important. Normally, Indian sandal oil contains about 90% santal oil, whereas the other kind of santalum species are contain 30 to 40% only. Age of the tree is play a vital role for the in case of santal oil content is concerned. Superior to the wood normally judged on the basis of the weight and the color of the and the kind of the portion of the wood also play a role. Normally, high content of oil will be found in the case of root and stems. The classification of the sandalwood is about 18 classes. We can go through these slides. The Santalum album has become very, very depleted source, and the legal and ethical sourcing is a difficult task indeed. And because of the lack of uniform law in this part of the country, and we have been taking up this case with even the Honorable Supreme Court, we are hope there will be a comprehensive legislation across India very soon. The sandalwood action, the quantity of sandalwood placed for the action, public action, has substantially declined over the years, and the rate also gone up to the Indian rupee. Now it is 6,500 per kilo of good kind of sandalwood in the Indian market. That is from the government actions. That is the latest action price. And you can see how the trend sale of sandalwood has come down drastically over the years. And the global production of sandalwood details you can see in this slide. So you can see where I have highlighted some of the species of the sandalwood where you can find in different parts of the world. And the legal and the aspect of sandalwood is not uniform, as I already highlighted. There are different laws in different, that's why the sandalwood has that become the scarce commodity. In view of the lack of uniform legislation, the clandestine trade is flourishing in India. So though southern states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, where the sandalwood predominantly present, they amended the act, and the Karnataka is further liberalized the trade, and because of that, Karnataka farmers are taking up massive cultivation for the last 5 to 6 years. We have taken up the scheme under Grow More Sandalwood scheme. We are propagating the cause of growing sandalwood by the farmers. Sandalwood oil uses, some of them, it goes from cradle to cremation in Indian traditions and culture. It goes in various applications also, sandalwood and its oil products, including pharmaceuticals and medicinal applications also, other than the perfumery and fragrances. It's also used in the pharmaceutical applications. Perfumery usage, in case sandalwood is incomplete, though there are several aromatic chemicals came to the market, but nothing can replace the natural sandalwood. Sandalwood oil will act as a fixative and a modifier in the high class perfumes. Fusion of sandalwood in India. There is a good demand for Indian sandalwood because of its unique aromatic properties, and there is a good demand in even the export market. Sandalwood cultivation in India is picking up momentum in Karnataka. Now more than 300 farmers already enrolled officially. Equal number of farmers also taken up passive plantation. Even some of the leading companies have ventured into the plantations, private plantation. We have a massive Grow More Sandalwood scheme where we are supplying the quality planting materials. We will have a buyback arrangement with the farmers. We will also provide the technical and marketing information to farmers from time to time, and they will also assist to get the subsidy from the government agencies, from both Government of India and Government of State. So there is an assistance from the National Medicine Plant Board along with the National Horticulture Mission for the growers of sandalwood in the state of Karnataka. Even other part of the country also, this kind of program is available for farmers who are venturing into the sandalwood plantation. So some of the other countries where sandalwood is being propagated by our mentor Mr. Ananth Padmanabhan. So some of the new countries, emerging countries are these: Costa Rica, Cambodia, Sri Lanka, even Philippines and Thailand, China are some of the new countries where the sandalwood is being experimented, along with Australia, Western Australia. The average price of sandalwood oil from legal and ethical sources now it goes up to 1,35,000 for the retail market in Indian rupees. Sandalwood cultivation very economically. Yeah, just tell me. It is not going to improve it is going to improve the green cover, reduce the eco impact, conservation of the natural sandalwood in the coming days. Because of this program, the economic empowerment, alleviate the poverty, rural employment, all these facilities we are expecting in the coming years. You can see some of the seedlings of 1 month seedlings, and the quality planting materials you can see is 2 months old. The saplings ready for plantation, 4 months old plantation, along with the primary host plant. You can see some of the upcoming plantations in different age group. The economic cultivation sandalwood in economic feasibility in Indian context. In Indian context, the investment per hectare will be approximately 48 lakhs, and return on investment will be 2 crore 76 lakhs, approximately 1 crore per acre in the current market price prevailing in the state of Karnataka. Some of the products which we derived out of the natural sandalwood oil as a base key ingredient in our formulations. Our vision is to produce the best quality of natural sandalwood and sandalwood oil from the legal soil to oil from the legal and ethical sources and sustainable through commercial cultivation of natural sandalwood in India. and regain the lost glory. India is one of the largest producer of natural sandwood and sandwood oil until 1978. We are also vision to make the best product, particularly FMCG products, including beauty aids and health and hygienic products in the coming days. Our mission, we are highlighting some of the missions. Our endeavor is to continuously working of all the products with soaps and detergents, cosmetics, beauty aids, wellness products, health and hygiene products, including dupe and heightened regulatory measures to meet the global standards of both FDA and REACH guidelines. Because there is a worldwide shift for the natural products, and in the above context we are exploring this, and we are using our best resource of natural sandwood to propagate our brand and our product in the entire global market. Being ISO 14001 certified company, we are working with a mission to improve the quality of the life for sustainable supply of raw materials as a PSU in the country. I hope this presentation definitely present audience to venture into the sandwood plantation, which is one of the most economical in the present scenario in the worldwide. In the world, there is a good demand for the Indian sandwood is concerned. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You can any queries you can always address to me through mail.
Thank you.
Thank you.